Welcome back, traders. Today we're diving into Forex trading quotes, the secret to staying motivated in tough times. If you've ever felt like giving up, these quotes are your survival guide. Let's jump right in. 1. Markets are constantly in a state of uncertainty and flux, and money is made by discounting the obvious and betting on the unexpected. George Soros. Soros reminds us that trading isn't about what's obvious. If everyone sees it, it's already priced in. Real profits come from spotting what others miss. Embrace the uncertainty. It's where the real opportunities lie. 2. The most important investment you can make is in yourself. Acquire knowledge. It pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. Before you invest in Forex, invest in your skills. Learning, growing, and sharpening your edge pays off more than any quick win. Franklin's wisdom is timeless, and it's your secret weapon. 3. Success in trading is a result of discipline, consistency, and managing risk effectively. Jesse Livermore. Jesse Livermore nails it. Trading success isn't about flashy wins. It's about showing up every day, managing risk, and staying consistent, even when it's boring. That's where real success lives. 4. The more you study, the more you know. The more you know, the more you see. The more you see, the more you earn. Alexander Elder. Knowledge opens your eyes to hidden opportunities. Elder's quote reminds us, education isn't a luxury, it's essential. The more you understand the markets, the better your chances at profits. 5. The Forex market is a reflection of human behavior, and it can be a mirror to your own strengths and weaknesses. Kathy Lean. Kathy Lean reminds us that Forex is a psychological game. The market will test your patience, discipline, and emotional control. It doesn't just show you the world, it shows you yourself. 6. Don't be a hero. Don't have an ego. Always question yourself and your ability. Don't ever feel that you are very good. The second you do, you are dead. Paul Tudor Jones. In trading, humility isn't optional, it's survival. Paul Tudor Jones teaches us to stay humble, stay alert, and always stay learning. Overconfidence kills faster than any market move. 7. The most important thing in making money is not letting your losses get out of hand. Marty Schwartz. Marty Schwartz highlights the real enemy. Big losses. Small losses are normal. Giant losses are fatal. Protect your capital like your life depends on it, because in trading, it does. 8. Risk management is the only thing that can prevent you from losing everything in Forex trading. Alexander Elder. No matter how skilled you are, without risk management, you're one bad trade away from disaster. Elder's advice is simple but powerful. Protect yourself first, profit second. 9. The best investment you can make is in your own abilities. Anything you can do to develop your own abilities or business is likely to be more productive. Warren Buffett. Buffett repeats what Franklin said, you are your best asset. The more you invest in your trading mindset, strategy, and discipline, the bigger the returns, both financially and personally. 10. Forex trading is not about being right, it's about being profitable. Bill Lipschitz. Bill Lipschitz strips it down. Your ego doesn't matter. Being right feels good, but making money feels better. Focus on being profitable, not proving you're right. 11. Trading is not about predicting the future. It's about managing risk. Nassim Nicholas Taleb. Taleb reminds us, nobody knows the future. Trading is about preparing for uncertainty, not pretending you can predict it. Manage your risk and you can survive anything. 12. Trading is a lot like riding a roller coaster. There are always ups and downs, and you have to hang on tight and stay on track. Linda Bradford Rashke. Trading is emotional. It's a wild ride. Rashke's quote reminds us, the key is to stay on the tracks. Stick to your plan, even when the ride gets rough. 13. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. Warren Buffett. Buffett brings it home. Success isn't about IQ, it's about EQ. Your emotional discipline, your temperament, is what decides if you win or lose in trading. 14. The trend is your friend until it bends. Ed Seykota. Seykota drops a classic truth bomb. Ride the trend, but stay alert. Trends end, and when they do, they can crush you if you're not careful. Always stay flexible. 15. The market is not your mother. It doesn't care about you. It is a cold and unforgiving place. Your job is to adapt and survive. Michael Carr. Michael Carr reminds us the market has zero sympathy. It doesn't care how hard you worked or how much you want to win. Your only job is to adapt, survive, and keep moving forward. There you have it. Forex trading quotes to keep you grounded and motivated in the toughest Forex moments. Trading is a mental game, and these words are your armor. Which quote hits you the hardest? Drop it in the comments below, and if you love this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more trading wisdom. See you in the next video.